Good morning, class. Today we'll start with another chapter known as operating system. An operating system is a combination of hardware and software. Software contains instruction to perform task while hardware performs the task physically. An operating system is the most important software that runs on a computer. It is the first software installed in a computer. A computer is useless without an operating system. So, what is the most important software? It is an operating system. Software is the instruction to perform task while hardware performs the task physically. A computer system is a combination of both hardware and software. Now let us see the function of an operating system. It controls all the hardware connected to a computer. It enables other software to install and run. It helps to store information in the computer in the form of files and folder. It also provides security measures to protect your computer and data. It means it controls all the hardware devices that are connected to the computer like keyboard, mouse, disk drive, printer, etc. It helps another software. For example, Windows Media Player, Paint. These are the software which are getting help by the main operating system to install and run. It also helps the computer to store information in the form of files and folder. It provides security measures to protect your computer and data from outside threats. Types of operating system. Operating systems are mainly of two types: single user operating system and multi-user operating system. As the name suggests, the single user operating system is designed for use on one computer by one user at a time. For example, Windows and Mac OS are single user operating system. It is important for you to remember the applications example. Next is multi-user operating system. A multi-user operating system is designed for use on more than one computer by several users simultaneously. For example, Unix and Linux are multi-user operating system. So the difference between single user and multi-user operating system is that single user can be used by one user, whereas multi-users can be used by several users simultaneously. Now we will see what is Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is a series of operating systems developed and marketed by Microsoft Corporation. It is the most popular operating system worldwide. Some popular versions of Microsoft Windows are Windows 7, 8 and 10. Now let us see the features of Windows operating system. It provides graphical user interface. What is provide? Graphical user interface, GUI, that represents commands, programs and files with pictures and animation. The user does not have to remember text-based command to operate the computer. That means the user does not have to write codes just to operate the computer. Now it is easy to learn and use. It allows all hardware devices to be connected to a computer. It allows most software to be installed and run on computer system. Now how to start Windows 10? The Windows operating system gets loaded into the computer after switch on the computer. During the process, a rotating circle of dots under the Windows logo is displayed. Now after Windows 10 gets loaded, the lock screen appears. Click anywhere on the lock screen, the login screen appears. This is the login screen and this is the lock screen. Windows display a list of user accounts available in the computer. Select a username, enter the password if it is password protected. A Windows message appears and the desktop is displayed on the screen. You can see the various parts of a desktop. We will discuss it further. First, we will discuss what is a desktop. So, a desktop is a place in Windows where programs are opened and the work is done. It is similar to a top of table or desk where you work. Hence, it is called desktop. The desktop contains two items, icons and taskbar. The icons are the small pictures on the desktop. Icons on the desktop represents file, folders or program. When you double click an icon, windows get opened or a programs get executed. Some of the common icons are the PC. It lets you access files and folders stored in various disks in the computer. Network icon. It lets you access other computers and devices connected to the computer. Recycle bin. Recycle bin lets you access all the files and folders deleted from the computer. Next is taskbar. A long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop is called taskbar. It has four main sections: start button, search box, middle section, notification area. Start button. It is a small icon present on the left corner of the taskbar. When you click on the start button, the start menu appears.